Yeah, I have chaired one of the roundtable discussion. Also, I was involved in multiple roundtables, and it was a phenomenal discussion. Everything is end of the day, everybody share the same types of questions, problems, and everybody tries to come up with a solution and come up with some recommendations for that. So it's a very, very interactive discussion.
I did. I thought those were great. So I tried not to use those as an opportunity to just like kind of pitch and derail the discussion. I used it as an opportunity to learn. So here, what solutions are people using? What challenges are they having? And then we'll use that to inform, future conversations when we do some more outreach after the fact. So.
Yes, I'm one of the data science roundtable. Very very strong interaction, and very actually heated discussion about how people can share data quality to drive good AI. AI is the best buzzword. Everyone do AI, but quality of data sharing is the key.
Yeah, I was participating in two of them actually.
Okay.
Very good discussions, diverse audience, many different perspectives, open, friendly, cordial, sufficient time for every one of them. Good discussions overall.
Yes, I was part of 2 or 3 roundtable discussions, and we were able to learn the new data modalities that are happening in bioinformatics and how to leverage these new techniques, which are like specifically within the scope of AI, ML, and LLMs, and how can we use these techniques to improve our model prediction.
I can speak of one for my own because I was preparing for the rest, but it was intense, and we had some very serious debates, and we had very diverse ideas, and so we could, in very intense civil way, try to tell what exactly are the main problems in the space, and think what would be the kind of right solutions that we may have.
Really well. We had standing room only, so well attended and very lively and insightful discussion. And, the ones I attended that I didn't lead were also useful. Lots of interest in what Hammerspace is doing.
Yeah, I've been to a couple, and it was interesting to sit with a room full of people who are talking in the same language, facing the same kind of challenges.
Yeah, I joined 2 roundtable discussions about data management and how to deal with big data in our industry. And it was really interesting to see different people's perspective on how they're dealing with this problem and what they think the future holds. So yeah, really eye-opening to get different people's perspective and discuss kind of in an open setting. It was really a different experience.
Those meetings were well organized, and thank you very much for you guys. And also, it's very, as I said, an actionable meetings that we had.
I had a few one-to-one meetings, some pre-planned, others impromptu in the moment, very valuable.
Yes, in fact, actually, it is great to see that you have a diverse kind of one-to-one meetings that have been set up, like one from Bioinformatics, Revity Signals, and one from the infrastructure, which is Hammerspace, and another one from the workflow management perspective, Secura. 3 different things, but I really enjoyed talking to all of them.
They went well. It's a little noisy in there. We could use some air blinds or barriers or something.
Yeah, it was good. We had very good conversations and lots of follow-ups to do. So it was very good.
Yeah, we had several one-to-one meetings today. I thought it was a great mix of end users and decision maker type levels of seniority. Made for some really interesting conversations with some great people. Yeah, really enjoyed those one-to-one meetings.
It's a mixture of different seniority levels. So there are people who are director level, there are people who are at VP level. I think it's pretty good mixture of people.
Yeah, we've definitely met a lot of decision makers, which is good. We've met a lot of folks that are the head of data science or leading a bioinformatics group at their company, which has been great for us. We also met a few, scientist level, which is great to speak with end users as well. So.
It's a good mix, yeah. We have hands-on people, we also have executive level, C-level people.
This specific meeting appears to be more tailored towards practitioners of the field, people who actually do the work. In terms of seniority, I would say both director, senior director level, as well as many people who are practicing bioinformaticians or practicing here.
I think you have brought in a wide range of people who are senior, who are middle level managers, if I get that right, and also a very young crowd. So it was a very good mix of people who come with a lot of experience and others who are very eager to see where the field is and where it is heading.
Yeah, I think they were researchers who really understood the problems that we can help solve.
It was a number of people we met that have needs that we can help with. There were kind of director level up to VP level delegates, which was a good mix.
Sure, we'll see you.
Yeah, absolutely.
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 Fantastic.
Hopefully next year. Yes, sir.
I think so.
It's a pleasure to be here, and I'll be here next year as well.
Yeah, Boston's a good place to meet these types of researchers.
Absolutely, I would. At the drop of the hat, make anything for you.
Yeah, I'll join next year. Yeah, I'll come back for actually Thursday. I'll be back. Same location, right?
Same location.
Thursday I'll be back.
Pleasure.